Welcome to our video series where we dive into the fascinating world of asset operations management. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to guide you through the core principles of AOM, helping you to improve your maintenance, reliability, and operations teams. Today, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Everything measured can be improved. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this is the sixth crucial pillar in AOM and how to overcome the challenges of implementation. So, stay tuned to learn how to boost your bottom line through effective data measurement and management. We've been exploring the 8 core ideas that form the foundation of AOM. So far, we've discussed the importance of maintenance, reliability, and operations teams working together towards a common goal, the need for all data to flow into a single repository, and the significance of measuring teams based on their intentions rather than their actions. We've also emphasized the need to constantly collect the right data, display the best insights, and provide actionable feedback through a centralized command center. Plus, we've highlighted that asset operations is a continuous life cycle, not just a single point in time. Today, we're focusing on the 6th pillar. Everything measured can be improved. In a perfect manufacturing world, we'd have a thorough understanding of our operations, maintenance, and reliability foundation. We'd measure the essential aspects in each area and have a set of improvements we're working on within a specific time frame. Once those are completed, we'd move to the next level, measuring and improving again in a continuous cycle over time. But let's face it, we're often far from this ideal scenario, which means we're leaving growth and revenue opportunities on the table. You've probably heard the saying, you can only improve what you measure, yet it's one that is rarely acted upon. However, in AOM, it's so critical that it's one of the 8 pillars of success. Measuring and improving play a vital role in the lifespan and performance of assets, which directly impacts an organization's bottom line. So, what's stopping us from implementing this AOM pillar? The primary challenges are the lack of measuring the right things and the lack of transparent, comprehensive data in most manufacturing organizations. Firstly, while departments tend to measure the things they do, it can be more challenging to measure those things that add value. For instance, the maintenance team may have good metrics around how many work orders are completed on a given day or how quickly they're completed, but no measurement against how their work has improved reliability or affected downtime. Secondly, many organizations may rely on mostly manual, paper-based systems that prevent quick and easy access to data. Others may depend on the individual knowledge and memory of team members about when assets were last repaired or maintained, and what quirky problems may exist. This data exists, but in a way that other employees working with the assets can't access. In the grand scheme of things, these measurements are, for all intents and purposes, missing. So how do we capture these missing measurements? The first step is shifting the culture and adopting a system to comprehensively capture the right data on an ongoing basis. This process can be challenging, especially if individual performance bonuses or raises are tied to activity-based metrics. The message that all employees need to focus on assets as a whole needs to be communicated from top management, and workflow and process changes may need to be made to reflect that focus. Systemic changes must include a mobile solution that can capture data in the field. Most technicians are in the field servicing equipment all day, not sitting behind a computer. If extra steps and time are required to input asset data into a main system, it's likely not to get done or not be done very well. Instead, if data can be both accessed and entered at the point of work, it can be more easily and completely captured. The final step is to fully integrate that data into the company's back-end systems so that it becomes part of a single data repository. Measurement metrics can then be identified and employed, and improvement follows. Once the right things are measured on an ongoing basis, real-time data then becomes available to maintenance, operations, and reliability staff. For example, a junior technician performing routine maintenance on an asset notices alignment of a particular part seems to be off. It gets noted immediately on the work order. That note then triggers the attention of the maintenance manager, who may reprioritize the tasks of a senior technician who heads over to the asset later that day. The adjustment is made before malfunction occurs, eliminating the downtime that would have happened later that week had it not been addressed, resulting in significant revenue saved. It's important to note that although it's easiest to start measuring asset performance during the utilization phase of the life cycle, this process should be used in other phases as well. By better defining the need for the asset in the first place, companies can ensure they are acquiring the right asset and investing in correct installation, which will result in better performance throughout the life cycle. For instance, the longer the expected life cycle of an asset, the more important it is that the right equipment is selected from the beginning. It's crucial to clearly define what the asset needs to do, what capacity it is expected to have, and what quality measures it must obtain. Cutting costs on the front end in an attempt to save money in the short run may lead to significant long-term problems during the utilization phase. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the sixth pillar of asset operations management. Everything measured can be improved. We've discussed the importance of measuring the right things, the challenges of data capture, and the significant impact of proper measurement on an organization's bottom line. Remember, you can only improve what you measure. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about UpKeep and how we can assist you in your asset operations management journey, please visit our website at upkeep.com.